we're showing you the 5 levels of water park in Austria, from the cheapest until the most expensive, and giving them all a rating out of 10.
We are price, slides and overall fun.
And we're going to include a POV of the best attraction of the water park. Level 1 is a trip to your local river, which is free, but absolutely freezing.
Level 1 is your local river. There are thousands in Austria, most of them free to use and a great way to cool off on a hot summer's day. And as we said, every attraction gets a POV cam, and this is it.
Level 1 isn't the most exciting POV.
Facilities, I'm gonna give a 0 because there is nothing. Overall fun, this place is a 3.
Let's get out of here and on to level 2.
Level 2 is a trip to any lake that you have local to you that unfortunately does not have any slides. For this example, we're using Right to Say, which is located near Waterpark. No slides, no problem. A very chilled place to relax and spend the day. Normally in these sorts of lakes, there isn't a huge amount of things for the adults to do, but it's a great time for kids.
That was level 2. Let's look at the ratings.
Price is still cheap, I think 7.
Facilities, there's not much going on, but it's a 3 out of 10.
Overall fun, 5 if you're with kids. If you're without kids, 4.5.
Let's level up to level 3.
Level 3 is a lake with slides. For this, we're in the Zillertal at Badewaldsturm. There's a lake, there's a swimming pool, there's a lane pool, and there's even slides. In level 3 water parks, you're never going to find the biggest and the best water slides in the world, but great fun and a great way to cool off. Yep, there's no question about it. Lakes and swimming pools that have slides are way better than lakes and swimming pools without slides. And a diving board just adds to the fun.
Price is a 6.
Facilities, not the best place in the world, not the worst. Bang in the middle, 5 out of 10.
Overall fun score, 6.
Alright, let's get to level 4.
Heading indoors for level 4. This is your sauna, spa, Therme, water park combi. For this example, we are in Erlebnis Therme, which is located in Thugen. Let's have a look at those slides. Yes, the slides that you find at level 4 are much longer and much more fun than the slides that you would find at level 3. At most of these places, there's a huge amount of things to see and do, and make sure you make use of the saunas.
That was the Therme. Let's get the rating.
Facilities, I love saunas and spas, so for me it's an 8.
The price is a little bit more expensive this time, so it's going down to a 3.
Altogether, we are giving it an 8.
That was level 4, now on to the final. This is level 5. You've heard of Area 51, this is Area 47.
Yep, I don't think it's going to come as a surprise to anybody. Area 47 is the top of our list and the level 5 water park in Austria. The slides here are much longer and much more aggressive. Plus, there is something here for everybody to do. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just here for the good vibes, you're going to find something that you want to do. We don't have time in this video, unfortunately, to show you everything about Area 47. However, we have made a vlog at this park before, and you can find the link in the comments. Watch the video and you will understand why this is level 5.
That was a long day.
Area 47 price? It's a 2. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but then you pay for the activities. And you get the entrance free if you go with the activities.
But the facilities are a definite 12 out of 10. I didn't know we could do 12.
So that makes overall fun 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Best place you can go is the most expensive one. Who knew? Okay, if you take into account the facilities, the price, and the overall fun, what's your favourite?
Everywhere when I'm with you is my favourite.
Aw, that's cute.
What's yours?
Area 47.
Obviously.
Well, there you have it. The more you spend, the better the water park. For the thrill seekers, we definitely recommend levels 4 and 5. If you're looking for more of just a chilled afternoon, levels 2 and 3 are fine. And level 1 is cold.
Do you guys agree? Let us know in the comments. And also tell us which 5 levels should we take on next.
We'll see you next time.
Tschüssi.
Adios.
No, it's choose. We are in Austria.
Nein, servus!
Ciao, ciao. Bye.
If you want to see more of Austria, don't forget to like and subscribe.